Yeah, it's still low pitched. It's the elevator by the Cheesecake Factory and AMC Theater at the Southdale Center in Edina, Minnesota. It's a Schindler 330A. Very early one because it has the low pitched chimes. Here we go. Number 2. Or the little store. Listen. It's actually in really good shape. I don't think it's used that much because this isn't really a main mall elevator. Because there's only like restaurants over here. There's COP, 3,000 pound capacity, Schindler HD fixtures. Give you your phone. The cap is very basic, but yet I like it. Floor is nice. These are kind of Dover impulse style lights, as I like to call it. There are 1. What about 2? Screws a little. Let's see if I can fix that. Hey, I fixed it. I'm the elevator mechanic. Number 2 again? Let's take a look when this was installed. I'm curious. 2001. This is a really early 330A. There's actually premium, but listen. Nice. Alright, we'll end it up here. There it goes.